Hello guys, I told you in my last video that I'll take you to Lake Naivasha. Right now I'm at Lake Naivasha. I just want to show you some birds in Lake Naivasha, or maybe the ecosystem of Lake Naivasha. Look, it's afternoon right now. I can't see the sun, but okay, the time is 3 p.m. Yeah, now we have some birds. We have small birds and the biggest birds in Lake Naivasha. Let me show you the smallest birds. Not the smallest, but they are small. We have these ones that are flying. Can you see them? I don't know if you can see them. Let me zoom, but this one, right there, right here. You see that? A small bird. Now we have the biggest birds. I don't know if they are vultures. Yeah, we have different types of birds. We have this one. Look at this. Let me show you. Look at this one. This one. Very big. I've never seen this in my life. We have different, and the lake is very big. You see here, there were some people residing over here. Over where? Over here. But because of rains, they were forced to move from this area to the town, to the Naivasha town. Look, let me show you. Look at that one. Hey, beautiful. Where is it going? To the tree. It's gone. Hey, these birds have very, very big wings. Okay, let's see what to see. I just want to record for maybe 10 minutes and leave here because of many because. Look at this one. Hi, look at that one. Gone. Or should we meet this one? Let's go near this one and see the reaction. Let's see what it will do. It's very big. I don't know. Very big. It's running. I also heard that there are some fish over here. So we'll see if we get some fish. And guys, I'm recording using my phone, and I'm afraid that the battery is going down. But don't worry. I guess it will. Yo, let's see some fish over here, guys. We have some fish, guys.
Yeah. There are fish, there are
catfish,
common carp,
and
tilapia.
How much?
150,
150, mia.
Yeah.
Okay.
That is 50. That is
Okay, because I'm recording,
yeah.
I'm coming back. Let me just finish recording.
Okay.
Okay, I'm coming right now.
Okay.
I'm not all, just a few.
Okay.
Because I live alone. Just two, maybe. Just two. Okay. So guys, let me show you the biggest birds of Lake Naivasha. Very, very big birds. This is an engine. This is an engine of a motorboat used to cruise. Look at those boats over there. See, those boats are used to navigate. I guess this is the hyacinth. This one. This is the hyacinth. I don't know. I'm not sure. Guys, tell me if I'm wrong. And this is a problem to navigation of the lake. And here we have some big birds. Look at these big birds. Vultures. Look at this one. And it is very far, guys. Look. I just zoomed. Guys, I've never seen this. Let me show you. Look at the wings. Let me show you when it's flying. Look. Look at this one. Hey, I've never seen this, guys. Very rare. Look at that one. Biggest birds. And guys, because of this hyacinth, I don't think someone can. I don't think these boats are functioning. Look at the lake. Guys, very rare. These two are fighting. Look, they are fighting. These two are fighting. I don't know why they are fighting. Hey.